Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and right here we have ambient sound control. You need to first enable ANC. I recommend it to put your earbuds to your ears. And right here we have 5 presets. So we have strong, middle, 2 AI, and I recommend it to test it. What will be the best one for you? For me, an environment. It's a good one. I prefer this mod, but you can also use a strong one. It's a good one. So this adaptive ANC will change your ANC level depending on your background. And also we have wind noise cancellation. Now tap at the best one for you and that's it. You can enable or disable transparency using gestures, but you cannot manage them using gestures. So you need to use an application to select one of these mods. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!